Hi, and welcome to this how to draw an apple tutorial. First, I use two ellipses and combine them in the vector drawing mode. Then I adjust the top and bottom part of the apple. Now set up the base color of the apple. Then change to the pixel mode and add shades and highlights to the apple. Now change again to the vector drawing mode to add the shape of the stem. After you draw the stem, go back to pixel mode and add shadows and highlights. The last step is to add the leaf. For that, go back to the vector mode. After you draw the shape, go back to pixel mode and add highlights and shadows.